Hi everyone, here is our Aldi haul. Just got back from Aldi. I'm gonna go through everything I purchased, and then we're gonna talk about the menu, what I have planned for us to eat this week based off of this and what we have already on hand. And then I'll share the budget as well. Did we stay under budget? Our grocery budget is $150 for the week. I like to stay below that or around that, and let's see if we did it. I'll let you know at the end how much everything costs. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start here and tell you what I got. I got the zucchini. We haven't had this in a minute, and this is the organic zucchini. So they looked really good. They had them on display as you went in. So picked up one package of those. And then they had Brussels sprouts this time, is the steamed. So these were frozen. I got 2 bags of those. I just love me some Brussels sprouts. Thought frozen would be great. And then some salads. We got some Southwest chopped salad kit. This is such a great side, so easy to whip up. And then some asparagus as another side. And then I did get 2 ready-made kits for the salad. This is their Southwest Santa Fe style salad with chicken. These are really good. So I got 2 of those for a good, nice lunch if we're in a hurry. And then we got a lot of protein this time and a lot of items that are kind of Easter and spring related, like this ham. I got this boneless spiral sliced ham. It's hickory smoked, and it comes with the packet. So turn this over. See, there's the sauce packet that comes with it. So that's going to be real great. I could freeze it if I'm not ready to make it, but I think we'll be, I'm not sure. Actually, we probably will freeze it and then have it ready for Easter. That's probably what we'll eat around Easter. And then I did get us a corned beef brisket. They did have the flat cut. I saw this last time and thought, you know, maybe not. But I could freeze this, and this makes such good sandwiches, and it's the easiest crock pot meal. And then we got some puff pastry sheets. I was thinking about Easter appetizers and things like that, and I thought puff pastry sheets are perfect for that. And then I haven't had their sushi in a while. It's pretty yummy. I mean, if you just need like a sushi fix and it's reasonably priced, this is the shrimp and avocado roll. They also have the California roll, but this comes frozen, and you just let it thaw out and serve. Thaw and serve. So good. All right, more protein up here, more protein. Country style ribs. These are the Black Angus beef ribs. I'm thinking of another crock pot meal. I think those would be so good. Maybe Mississippi roast, maybe, I'm not really sure, maybe with a beef gravy. We'll just see. I'm not sure on the exact recipe, but I think those are gonna be great in the slow cooker. And then I haven't tried this from them before. This is mild turkey breakfast sausage. I love making my hash, my breakfast bowls, and this is so good to just kind of, you know, make with some eggs and spinach and sweet potatoes. So got me one of those. Bacon, we love our bacon around here, and I went ahead and got the regular bacon. This is the thick cut. I got this for my son. He doesn't like the uncured, so I went ahead and got him the thick sliced bacon. And then I did get some honey uncured ham slices, some deli ham for breakfast in the morning for sandwiches. And then I did pick up a bag of the shredded Colby Jack, so Colby and Monterey, finely shredded cheese. And then I did get, because I was thinking about making some wraps for Easter appetizers, so I got the zero net carb wraps. They also had those in wheat as well, but I just got the white. And then protein here, let's spin this around so you can see it. We have the center cut pork chops, and I thought that would be a great crock pot. I'm thinking easy meals, can you tell? I'm thinking lots of dump and go recipes in the crock pot, because we just got to let dinner do its thing and not have to babysit it, and that's what the crock pot's perfect for. So I was thinking about those, so we'll see what I come up with on that. Eggs, we always need our eggs. And then I am thinking for this, these are the sandwich skinnies. These are the multi-grain, so they're 100 calories. They're thin bagels, and I got these because last time I bought the fish fillets, the breaded fish fillets, and I thought these would be perfect to put those and make little fish sandwiches for us. Thought that'd be really great. And then I picked up some items, also thinking about Easter appetizers. I went ahead and picked up this dill dip. I think this sounds really good. And I was actually thinking about, how about this dill dip with those fish sandwiches, like make that kind of like the mayonnaise dressing I would put on there. I thought that would sound pretty good, so that's what I was thinking there. And then I did get their classic chicken salad as another quick easy meal to throw together, and also some appetizers. was thinking maybe those puff pastry sheets with this chicken salad. Picked up some goat cheese, once again appetizers, and then this is just an easy meal. Sirloin tips with mushroom gravy. We haven't had this one. We've had a few of their other varieties. They are super delicious, and I usually pair them well with that chopped salad. It's just the easiest 2-ingredient, but lots of flavor between the chopped salad kit and these ready-to-eat meals. They're so easy. It's so delicious. So just another variety of that. And then I did get their cheese stuffed crust pizza. This is a nacho cheese chicken pizza. So we love our stuffed crust, and this is going to save on the budget when it comes to eating out. The pizza, this can satisfy and just throw it with a salad or something for one of our evenings and not do takeout. But feels like you're doing takeout, right? Because you're getting like a stuffed crust. And then indulgent item, this is Thank You Cherry Much. This is like the Ben & Jerry's ice cream, just a little pint of that. I think that has like chocolate and cherries and little bits and chips. And yeah, it looks so delicious. So, and then here's my Aldi finds. Here's my Easter items I did pick up. I don't know what it is about this anymore. I don't think I can go a season without picking up the seasonal gnomes. And this one is so cute. He's got the little bunny ears, which you can fold down. It's so cute. And it does say here, spring on his little banner. And then he has a little friend. This one is a smaller one. So they had a good variety of these. They were so cute. One had a little carrot and had Easter. And then these little guys, I think they've been out for weeks. But I think they're down to their last few. But I hadn't seen these yet. So cute. All right, so that's the haul. That's the Easter themed and spring themed and different things highlighting on a lot of protein this week. So let's get into that menu board and let's go over everything we're planning to have on the menu this week.
Oh, I almost forgot. Let me share the total with you. The grand total I spent on all of this. Now, I didn't include the 2 gnomes, so the grand total is $137.84. The 2 gnomes were about $13, so I didn't include them in the grocery budget, but that is everything. That is so good. I went below budget and still have plenty that we can carry this on to the next week. All right, let's get into that menu board.
Here is our menu for the week. These are the meals we're planning. We're gonna do those fish sandwiches with those thin bagels. And we're gonna have that with the dill spread and maybe a side salad, and we'll probably cook those up in the air fryer. Chicken thighs with olives and lemons. And then that quick, easy meal, that sirloin tips, the ready-made meal with a chopped salad. That corned beef brisket in a slow cooker with some potatoes and probably those frozen Brussels sprouts. Those beef ribs, either will cook those, roast it, or we'll do a air fryer or slow cooker with those. That's with the asparagus, maybe some onion soup mix and mushrooms. Then we'll turn it into a crock pot meal. Not sure just yet, but definitely those beef ribs and asparagus. Rotisserie chicken with some zucchini and rice. And then we have that frozen pizza as another quick meal for the week. Here's some appetizers for the spring and Easter. I'm thinking about making some chicken salad phyllo baskets, a salmon board, some deli wraps, goat cheese and endive with some mandarin oranges, and a shrimp dip. So some light fare food and appetizers. And later, just to keep me reminded, that I have that holiday ham, pot roast, and breakfast sausage that's going to be in the freezer to thaw out and use up when it comes time. All right, so that's our plan. That's the meals for the week. Looking forward to another great week.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you're notified of my new videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.